Kodak's best printers are portable photo-focused models, not office all-in-ones. Top pick, the Mini 2 Retro, great quality, low running costs. For larger 4x6-inch prints, choose the Dock Plus. For 3x3 squares, the Mini 3 Retro. Both use superior 4-pass dye sublimation tech. Skip the zinc-based Step series, which lags in quality. Starting at number 1. Kodak Dock Plus 4x6-foot photo printer. The Kodak Dock Plus is a desktop 4x6-inch photo printer designed for effortless, high-quality home printing, using genuine 4-pass dye sublimation technology to deliver smudge-proof, water-resistant, and fade-resistant prints in about 55 seconds. Its integrated docking station allows you to charge your phone while printing, and the companion app makes editing and customizing photos a breeze, making it perfect for albums, framing, or preserving everyday memories. Number 2. Kodak Step Wireless Mobile Photo Mini Printer. The Kodak Step Wireless Mobile Photo Mini Printer is a palm-sized, ultra-portable device weighing under a pound, perfect for photo-loving creators and crafters who want to turn digital memories into tangible keepsakes anywhere. Using innovative Zinc Zero Ink technology, it delivers durable 2 inches by 3 inches sticky-backed prints that resist moisture, tears, and smudges, so you can peel and stick them anywhere. With Bluetooth and NFC connectivity, the companion Kodak app offers a full editing suite with filters, borders, stickers, and text for personalized flair, while the built-in rechargeable battery keeps you printing up to 25 photos on a single charge. Number 3. Kodak Mini 2 Retro 2x3 Portable Photo Printer. The Kodak Mini 2 Retro is a compact, lightweight portable photo printer that turns your smartphone pictures into high-quality 2-inch by 3-inch credit card-sized prints in about 55 seconds, making it perfect for travel, parties, scrapbooks, and everyday keepsakes. Using genuine 4-pass dye sublimation technology, it produces smooth, detailed prints with a clear protective lamination layer that resists fingerprints, water, and fading for long-lasting quality. Simply connect via Bluetooth, use the Kodak Photo Printer app to edit and customize your photos with filters and borders, and print instantly, anytime, anywhere. This bundle includes 4 cartridges and 38 sheets of photo paper so you can start creating right out of the box. Number 4. Kodak Dock and Wi-Fi Portable 4x6-inch Instant Photo Printer. The Kodak Dock and Wi-Fi Portable 4x6-inch Instant Photo Printer is a versatile docking station that lets you print brilliant, fade-resistant 4x6 photos directly from your smartphone, tablet, or USB drive with just one touch. Using D2T2 thermal transfer technology, it delivers stunning full-color prints with exceptional detail that won't bleed or fade over time. The dock includes an Android pin and a free iOS Lightning adapter for broad device compatibility, while simultaneously charging up to 2 smart devices as you print. The companion Kodak Photo Printer app enhances your creativity with filters, stickers, collages, and card templates, making it ideal for home, office, school, or business use. Number 5. Zinc Kodak Mini 2 HD Mobile Instant Photo Printer. The Kodak Mini 2 HD is a wireless portable instant photo printer that lets you print 2.1-inch by 3.4-inch photos directly from your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth or NFC one-touch pairing, no cables or complicated setup required. Using an innovative 4-pass D2T2 dye transfer method, it produces beautiful, detailed prints that dry instantly and stay bright for up to 10 years without fading. The all-in-one MC cartridges combine paper and color ink for easy maintenance, while the free Kodak Photo Printer app offers filters, stickers, collages, card templates, ID photo printing, and more for endless creative possibilities.